Hi there. In this video, we will learn about CSS property border inline. So you might heard about border property, but this is border inline. So the border inline CSS property is a shorthand property that will useful to set the individual logical inline border in a single place. So basically, border inline is a CSS logical shorthand property that combines border inline color, border inline style, and border inline width into one single declaration. Okay, so it is basically setting up the border based on the direction. Okay, so how it will be written in CSS? It will be like element, that is class border inline, for example 5 pixel solid green. Okay, that will be border online. And one more important point here is writing mode, that can be horizontal or vertical. Okay, so border inline is a logical equivalent to physical properties that includes border left and border right, okay, depending on the writing mode. So right now it is defined in CSS logical properties specification. Okay, so let's start creating one simple HTML and see how exactly it works. Okay, so in HTML, let's create one div. In div, let's add some box as class. Okay, and let me just copy paste another div. This should be box 1 and it can be box 2. Okay, let's make it horizontal writing mode, and this may be vertical. Okay, so let's see. So right now nothing is there, just text. Okay, here. Okay, let me move it out of this view so we can see it. Okay, right now two divs are there. Okay, let's start creating CSS for each div. So first of all, we will create common CSS, that is for box. For box, we will add some background color. Let's add some light color. Display flex, we will use flex box. Align items, let's make it center. Justify content, also center. Add font weight bold. Okay, so you can see the font. Flex, this is 20%, will be you can say width, flex basis. Okay, and height you can add is 30 pixel. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Okay, let me add some CSS so we can make it look better. Okay, so right now two divs are aligned. Let me add margin. Let's add 30 pixel so we can see some margin over there. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. Okay, so it's, yeah, 20% is fine. Okay, so for box one, what we can do, we can add box one, and with box one you can add border inline and give value as 4 or let's say 5 pixel solid red. Okay, and with that writing mode should be there, and let's keep it horizontal so we can see how this border inline works. So you can see with horizontal you can see these two borders. Okay, let's inspect so you can confirm. Yeah, border inline is 5 pixel solid red, that is horizontal TP. Similarly, you can copy box 1, make it box 2, and change the writing mode to vertical left to right. So you can see with this, the vertical left to right, the border is now top and bottom, right? So border inline logical property is a shorthand for setting both the start and end border inline width, border inline style, and border inline color in this single declaration. Okay, so the direction of start and ends, it depends on the elements writing mode that we can see here. Okay, so writing mode is here very important. So it is supported by almost all the browsers, not with I, but I is not there at this moment, so you can ignore that. Okay, so basically, border inline width is pretty much what you do with border width property. Okay, so it defines the thickness of logical inline borders of that element, right? So border inline width, you can also write down like this: border inline width. Okay, you can set something like 30 pixel, and it will be 30 pixel thick. Okay, you can see. And similarly, for box 1, let's change another property. So as you can see here, border inline width we set as 30 pixel, right? Similarly, we can set border inline and width. Let's make it 20 pixel. You can see for box 1 right now the border inline end width is 20 pixel. Let me change it to start, and it will be this border, right? So sometimes in UI you might need to change the border, or you might want to fix some border with some kind of different. Okay, so here is the way you can write down similar borders. Okay, so with this you can also write down border inline style. Okay, so with style you can set start style and end style. Okay, let's keep it dash. It will be dash. You can see the start style is dash. Similarly, you can make it end style. Let's keep it something else. Let's keep it double or dotted. Yeah, you can see the double works fine. It will be end, border inline end style. So based on this horizontal, let's say writing mode, it will calculate if it is start and end, start border and end border. Okay, so this is how you can use the border inline CSS property. All right. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any question or any suggestions, you can leave your comments below the comment box. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you.